strong enough. And as a result, they offset it, and now we have this problem. It's something that you can use to use to good effect. So if you're making something that is a mechanism, and you need to have just a slight bit of extra clearance, well, now you do. This blue one, sorry about the fingerprints there. This blue one on the right now has a slight bit of extra clearance beneath it. It's above the height of something that's lined up with the base of the plate on the left. The blue is not touching it. There's a slight gap under there, you know? You can also do this at any time. That's completely legal, always. But as soon as you try to put them both onto studs, that's not technically allowed per Lego. A lot of people do it, but it isn't aligned properly, and it does cause gaps and overlaps that strictly speaking do not work. Had some minor issues from the Technibricks from 1977. Huh. Oh, sir, I don't like it. You'd think they'd be the same, yeah. New Zealand, we're on the other side of the planet, so building is all upside down. Last night in my hometown before I move. Ooh. Congrats in advance. Let me see if I can get this truck done. Oh no. Really? Really, internet? Okay, that was a short one. That was a normal one. Let me see if I can get this truck at least usable. I'm gonna stack up studs on the side here for a little bit of texture. Then the calipers came out. It's all fun and games until the calipers come out. Cheesy Squeaks with the 2 sticks redemption. I got you. Just give me a minute here. They're essential for ribs. If you want to have a proper experience of eating ribs, you should use calipers. I've heard that as well. I'm gonna go with brown studs. Made the set into my Hydra Sig Figs office, and now I really like it. Yes, I'm so glad, Red Skull. I'm so glad that worked for you. I'm glad you got it. I'm glad you enjoy it, and now you're making it yours, and it's working for you. It's all good. Yes. Better than I thought it would be. Also took Moff Gideon's cape for my Sig Fig because the red matches the red print on the Red Skull from the new set. Nice. That is perfect. And again, Cheesy Squeaks, I see your redemption there. I will fulfill it. Just give me a minute. Give me a minute. Changing these spring-looking things over. I'm really desperate to get this in a positive way, to get this up. To get this up on the rails and able to support something. Do it. Gosh, I wonder if I shouldn't use it. Do it. I'm thinking about it, so I'm going to try it. These days, I like to try to do shapes and textures because I can. Oh, this helps a lot. This helps a little bit more than I expected, even. A number of things. That's not going to go there, is it? No, it's not. No, it's not. This is going to go here, and finally, yes. It is just a little bit stiff. I'll have to see what's causing that stiffness in particular.
Yes!
Gotta make sure that things are lined up well. Everything is nice and flat. Ah! Yeah! Yeah! That's what I want. I want it to be that loose. That loose. Yes, sir. So it's shifting back and forth now, nice and easy.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah.